Hello, and welcome to my talk, You're Amazing, Courage to Say Yes to More Opportunities. My name is Stephanie Rideout. I'm a leadership fellow at Women Who Code, and I do marketing and product data at Sara Lee Frozen Bakery. Has anyone told you recently that you were amazing? I want you to think about whether anyone's reached out to you lately, let you know if there was anything they thought you did that was amazing. Let me know in the chat right now. And while you're doing that, let me be the first to say, you're amazing. So I think that you are so amazing. So I want you to think about, how did me just telling you that you're amazing, how did that make you feel? Did you feel happy? Did you feel empowered? Did you feel motivated? I know that when anyone tells me that they think something I did was amazing or that I'm amazing, I feel so empowered to conquer the world. Awesome. Okay, next question. Have you ever said no to an opportunity you really, really wanted to do? This could be give a technical talk, apply for your dream job, learn a new technology, apply for an advanced degree program. Let me know in the chat right now. Now I want you to think about, why did you say no to that opportunity? So these are some of the things that we tell ourselves. I'm afraid to speak in front of an audience. The role was too competitive. I didn't have time. I've never done it before. So these are some of the things we tell ourselves, but I'm not sure that they're necessarily true. So let's talk about this more, because you're amazing and you can do anything that you set your mind to. So there's a disconnect. You already have the amazingness inside of you that you need to go for what you want. It is true that not every opportunity will work out the way you want it to, but that should not stop you from going for the opportunity. So let's talk about, how do we unleash our inner amazingness? So my hope from this talk is that you will walk away feeling empowered to start saying yes to more opportunities. So how do we do that? First, start by recognizing that you are amazing. So I've told you now, you're amazing. So you know you are an amazing person. You have so much to give to this world. So you have to tell yourself, hey, I'm amazing. I can do this. I've got this. The next thing I recommend is building your personal community. And I know for me, Women Who Code has been such an amazing community for me. I've just met so many amazing people, and we work on projects together. Everybody is so supportive of everyone's ventures. And I just always feel a tremendous level of support from everyone that I work with and surround myself with. And that really makes the difference. Which brings me to my next point: find people who believe in you. I have found that when you're going to go for an opportunity that is really, really hard, you need people behind you to tell you, you can do this. I know you got this. You can get this done. And having even just like one or two people behind you for everything that you go for can really make all the difference in the world. And then as a reminder, always remember to pay it forward. Relationships are about give and take. It's about giving to others as much as you're receiving, or giving, even more. So always remember to make sure you're paying it forward. You're telling other people, you're reaching out to other people, you're telling them why you think they're amazing. You're empowering them every day. The next thing I recommend is to take risks. So this is a hard one for a lot of people. I know sometimes it's hard for me as well, if I'm being really honest. And so taking risks is something that is really important for our growth. And we never know if we're going to get an opportunity unless we try for it. So it's worth the risk of trying for it. So I'll share a brief story about at one point I applied for an opportunity and I put a lot of effort into this. I spent so much time working on my application, putting together a really nice portfolio. I was so pleased with it. I was like, I know I can do this job. And I know I have this in the bag. And so I submitted my application and nothing. I got basically just a cold rejection, and I didn't get an informational interview or anything. And so I learned something from this. I learned that I need to accept in advance that not all risks are going to result in the desired outcome, but that is okay. So I went for something, I learned from the experience, and it was phenomenal that I learned from it. And it really helped me grow as a person. And it also helped just build my confidence and courage to just try for more opportunities. So it's all about going for the opportunity. So to summarize, recognize that you are amazing. Build your personal community. Find people around you who believe in you, who will support you on all your ventures. Remember to always pay it forward. Be willing to take a risk. Accept in advance that not all risks will result in the desired outcome, but that is okay. The whole point of this is that we're going for the opportunity. The whole point is we're trying for something. And that's where we're going to get the growth, and we're going to build our courage and our confidence to move forward. So it is time to start saying yes. We have opportunities available to us all the time. And oftentimes we're looking at them when we're saying, I would love to do that, but. And so it's time to drop that part out and say, it's time to do this. It's time to say yes. Now is the time. So I encourage you to go for it. So challenge time. I have a 2-part challenge for everyone after this conference. So today, the day that you're watching this video, connect with at least 5 friends and colleagues and tell them why you think they're amazing. You can either do this publicly on social media, or you can do this privately, maybe via text or whatever medium you choose to use. And if it's a social media post, please use the hashtags for the conference, Women Who Code and Applaud Hers, that are shown here in this slide. And that way everyone can see who you find to be absolutely amazing. Challenge number 2. So over the next several weeks and months, consider opportunities that you truly want. So when they come your way, assess each one and think about, is this something that I truly want? Is this something that I should go for it? And if that's the case, say yes and go for it. Give it your all. And I know you can do this. So with that, I want to thank you all so much for joining me today. I look forward to how you're all going to unleash your inner amazingness. Thank you so much.